Hello, my Scorpios. What's shaking? What's happening? What's going on with you? Leave me a comment to let me know. Welcome to Moonbeam Tarot. This is a general love reading for the energy of Scorpio. Now, this is a general reading, so Spirit wanted me to explain a little bit extra about that on these videos because I'm going to be getting more specific with them in the future. But even those are still going to be generalized, right? Because this isn't a personal reading where I'm slicing into your life like a surgeon. I can do that for you too if you want. But this is a generalized reading. So I'm going to give the message that Spirit gives me, and I'm going to give y'all the message that Spirit gives me. And then it's your responsibility to apply that to your personal story, how it makes sense for you. You'll feel it. Even if you don't even know if you got Scorpio in your chart, if you feel drawn to this reading, it's because there's a message here for you. Even if it's just one word, just a sentence, just like this leaf here on this painting, whatever it is. There is a message for you here if you're open for it. So, this message could be about you, or it could be about somebody who you're dealing with. You just kind of have to apply it where it fits. Okay? Now, I have reopened booking for personal tarot readings, like I mentioned earlier. So if you want a private personal reading, send me a message and we'll book something. I am also a psychic medium, so if you want to contact a loved one who's crossed over, then also email me and we'll set something up for that as well. Now, I'm also showcasing this painting of mine that I did as per Spirit's request. So, this is also for sale. Excuse me. So, if you're interested in any of those things, a link for my email address is going to be in the drop-down description box. It's jaxmoonbeam444@gmail.com. Okay, now the deck I'm going to be using is a deck that I also created myself. It's all my own artwork. These things, the paintings and the cards, I created these when I was on lockdown in Cali. Okay, so let's get started. Messages of love for Scorpio. Right away I'm getting visions of tears. Like some of y'all have been crying. Very emotional. Or you've been making somebody cry. Like listening to songs like nostalgically that remind you of somebody. Like regretting something, regrets. Like the phrase like, what did I do? What did I do? I wish I could have done this differently. I wish I could take that back. like somebody realizing the repercussions of their actions. Okay, so bottom of the deck energy, we have ocean. So, some stuff could have happened when you were at the ocean, by the ocean. But more than likely, this card represents intense emotion. Whether you're expressing it or not, that's emotion. That's a lot of emotion. I don't know why, but like I'm picking up. I'm noticing there's almost like a condescending, like, I don't know. I don't know if I'm sounding sharp or cold or condescending, but I feel that. I don't know where that's coming from. That has to be like being channeled, because that ain't me. I'm very, well, y'all know I'm different if you've watched any of my other videos, but I feel it. It's like, feels kind of savage almost, like, it kind of feels like a defense mechanism, like somebody's just like acting real condescending and cold, but it's like a cover up for these deeper emotions. So this energy, like this weird energy I'm channeling, it's like, maybe somebody's like, oh, whatever, I ain't got no emotions, I ain't crying over them. Like, there's a phrase, but I'm not getting every word in the sentence. Oh, I got it. It's this, I think it's Snoop. I don't love them though. It's that. I don't love them though. Somebody's in denial or something. I don't know. Okay, let's try to like get that energy out of me, because I don't want to be sounding like that and feeling like that the whole reading, because that ain't me. So, and it doesn't feel pleasant. It goes a lot with this card here. Keep your mouth shut, with these vampire fangs, like, Okay, so first card is your reward is coming. Okay. Then we have keep your mouth shut. Now this is sacral chakra right here. This is third eye. This is third eye. So your reward is coming, and it could have something to do with your third eye. Man, this energy is so weird. There's so much resistance. There's so much resistance with this. I can't believe how much resistance I'm getting with this. Totally different than all the other readings. So, keep your mouth shut. This is the sacral chakra. Okay, so, and then we also have the solar plexus here. So, somebody is maybe keeping their mouth shut about their feelings. Right? Now we also have clearing generational karma, heart chakra. Man, this energy is so intense. Feel about to be the death of the moonbeam. Okay, so next we have It's Not a War. And this is like the Two of Swords, how, she's got those two swords like shing, like crossed in front of her heart. So again, this is defensiveness. No, I don't love you. Stay out of my heart. Like, I feel that so sharp, so strong. In the middle, we have childhood trauma. Okay, so this is probably where all this energy is coming from. And this is the throat chakra and the third eye. Is that right? Biv. Violet. No, that's crown chakra. Crown, not third eye, crown chakra. So this is crown chakra. Okay, this is crown chakra. This is crown chakra. So this could be about dreams, uploads, yeah. Speaking your truth. Speaking your truth. So we got childhood trauma with that blue, for the throat chakra. Right underneath this keep your mouth shut card, which sacral chakra is all about love, emotions, intimacy. It's also another color for the heart chakra. And well, looky what we have here. Right next to childhood trauma, we have you need to cut the umbilical cord. That couldn't have come out more perfect. Because childhood trauma, umbilical cord, hello. So that's definitely about like a mama, like a papa, like whoever raised you. Somebody, hurting you in some way. And it's like, you see how like the attitude that I got, like, I would never make jokes about something like this, but somebody is. And they're making the joke either about somebody else or themselves. Like, there's a real strong, like, frontin' energy here. Like, real condescending. Like, somebody is majorly, like, putting up a barrier with these types of energies that are, like, shooting out of me. And this is what's behind it right here. Somebody's trying to hide this. I fantasize about marrying you and sing. So, yeah, it's like somebody is all up in their motherfucking feels, like madly, obsessively in love with you. And they have so much damage from the abuse that they suffered as a child, whether this is you or somebody else, but I feel like it's mostly someone you're dealing with. But could be either way. Maybe a little bit of both. Maybe you both have this a little bit in your sort of like butting heads, like ramming your heads together. And it's because of this, like major fears of vulnerability, intimacy. So instead of just opening up their mouth and, singing this beautiful romantic song and just being open about how they truly feel, they're like, ching, nope. Like swords, shing, shing, nope, you ain't getting through this. But look, like that heart is still shining out. There's so much love here. Like this person is trying like a motherfucker to hide this shit and block this shit up. But very first card is your reward is coming soon to a theater near you. Okay, so this is a package in the mail. That's what's on this card. So, okay, what this feels like to me is Spirit is sending backup. Like there is something coming through that is going to help this person heal. It's going to help this person feel that they have the strength that they don't currently have to clear this generational karma properly, cut this umbilical cord properly, put these swords down slowly, cry this shit out like a champ once and for all, and give them the strength to not run their mouth and cause more damage than they already have, needlessly. And let this ocean of love out. And it could be quite literally through singing. Could be somebody writing songs about you. You know, this could be something crazy like that you don't expect, like homie show up outside your door holding a boombox over his head like in the 80s, like serenading you and proposing to you at the same time. Huh. I definitely feel like, sorry about that. I definitely feel like there is someone, see, I finally feel like I'm back to my regular self, my regular voice. So that was all channeled. So strange. I definitely feel like somebody here is working really hard at moving through some really deep wounds. And I feel like some people here have really made a mess of a relationship that they really wanted. Like with someone like you, that they really wanted. Or maybe this is how you feel about somebody. One way or the other, but I feel more that it's somebody is feeling like this about you, Scorpio. Like, and I just feel like this person, whoever this is about, your ex or, well, I don't know, somebody that you've had some sort of interaction with in some way in the past, like I feel it, like they're exhausted. It's like, it's so weird. It's like they get mouthy and act crazy, just act like a wild banshee fool. And they're fronting, and then they cry. Like, I don't think they let nobody see it. It is like this, like they just fucking weep. And then, like, this huge exhaustion comes over them. Like, I had to, like, I was, like, putting my head down, like, holding my head up with my hand, like, ugh. Because that's what it is. It's like they're exhausting themselves. And look at what else I just saw. Look at this. Look at that shit. Like, ching, 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 heart, heart. I mean, that's the same. That's the same. So, XX 1010, I didn't see that till after, till that moment. So, that's something else. It's like this person. They're so crazy. And I don't mean that in a bad way, like crazy, but they could be. But they're so injured. They're so filled with pain and trauma. It's like they get so worked up and they get so in their feels. And they're just like, come near me, get away from me, come near me, get away from me. And this is happening because of this. Because this is what's needed. This cutting of these cords attached to these people who have hurt them. So it's like, okay, let me throw out an example that Spirit just gave me. So say this person, okay, say you were in a relationship with this person and they were crazy. Like all the things I just displayed. They just had craziness, crazy behaviors like this, or, ways of talking or whatever, and they hurt you, and you were like, nah, I'm good on this. And you just walked away. You were like, nope, I'm not interested in being treated like this. And so this person, like, you leave them, and then this person goes back to their family, because this is clearing generational karma. So I would say, okay, this was what Spirit put in my head. This person goes back to their family. They go back to their mom, their dad, their family, because you left them and you were like, I'm not dealing with this. Then they go back to the people who originally hurt them. And that's where they are. And it's like Spirit sent them back there to like make this final cut. And to, like, once and for all clear this out. And maybe part of the lesson that Spirit is trying to teach this person, whoever it is to keep their mouth shut. Like, their energy is better kept within them. Like, somebody just, it feels like a mother. Like a mother just antagonizes whoever this person is, just to hurt them, just to get them to pop off. And Spirit, like, is healing this. This is the sacral chakra. So there's been a lot of damage to the sacral chakra through this abuse. And so this person is seeing now. This person is being shown that it wasn't their fault. That they're being shown, like, how abused they actually have always been. Because I feel like there's a lot of narcissistic bullshit going on here. Like, somebody pushing somebody's buttons just to get them to go off and then pinning it all on them. Like, this is nasty, filthy motherfucking energy. This is the kind of shit where somebody like this standing in front of me, I would slap the teeth out of their mouth watching them treat somebody else like this. Like, this is the lowest of the low. And I feel like this is somebody treating their own children this way. Okay? So this is not good. And Spirit is like slowly guiding this person through these things to show them, hey, it ain't you. It's this other crazy motherfucker. Like, they just got problems. And, like, so it's like Spirit is healing the heart at a heart level. This is healing on a heart level. That's why the heart is here. And the heart is here. Okay. And there's the heart chakra colors here. So much energy. Because Spirit, and here's the green here, the heart chakra color. Okay, because Spirit is healing this. Spirit is healing this person's heart. they're getting healing on a heart level. Because this person's heart has been just destroyed by this mother, by this father, by this sister, by this family. Could have been more than one person. See, we got more than one person here. And so, since this healing is coming in on a heart level, Spirit is this healing is in such a way where this person is like, oh, okay, I see it now. And like this person is following Spirit with this now. And Spirit is helping heal this person in a way where they just, like, they're learning how to just keep their mouth shut. Like, okay, you go ahead and say whatever you want. Go on. But I ain't saying nothing back to you. Because you're not worth my energy. And that is where, like, a huge amount of healing is going to come in. Like that healing is going to trigger huge amounts of healing. Like, I feel like whoever this person is, who's went through all this trauma, their throat chakra is all fucked up. Like, they spent most of their childhood crying. Like, even, I think a lot of this was hidden. Nobody knew. And they were made to feel like they needed to shut their fucking mouth. Don't you talk back to me. Keep your mouth shut. So, this could be, and this is a trigger warning here, I'm going to throw it out, because this could be intense sexual abuse. All sorts of fucked up shit happening to somebody, and then somebody all up in their face, you better keep your fucking mouth shut. Don't you tell anybody about what I'm doing to you. Or I'm going to kill you. Like crazy threats and shit like that. And, I don't know. This person could have a lot of stuff repressed, because that's what I originally said, is there's a lot of emotion here that's super repressed. And that could be why. So this person, like, acts out, and they act like a straight up fool if they get feelings for somebody, because they're just really, really injured. So Spirit is taking this person on a healing journey so that they can cut these cords once and for all and see the truth. And this reward, being taken through this process, is a reward in itself. But there's more. Like, Spirit's like telling whoever this person is, whether it's you or the person you're dealing with, Spirit's saying, hey, there's packages of love coming for you. Like, it ain't gonna be like this anymore. Like, this is a major shift. I can feel it. Like, whoever this person is who's dealt with all this horrific abuse, Spirit is like turning them into this. This is the transformation. This is what these gifts are going to do to this person. And since this is a love reading, I feel like there's marriage on the horizon for this person. Like, whether they see it or not, like, there's somebody coming in and they are gonna experience a love like they've never experienced before. Like, somebody just loving them so gently, so sweetly. Like, it's okay. You can freak out if you want. You can tell me all the things I did to you if you want. You can, just cry it out. Like, I love you. I'm here. Like, something that, like so dependable, so consistent, so committed. I feel like this person has hella abandonment issues. And this is somebody who is strong, who's going to come in and be like, I want to marry you. I want to protect you. I love you. I'm not going to let these things happen to you ever again. Like that type shit. And that, along with some other things, you know, being free of this attachment, these attachments, for one, but other things on top of that, all of these things mixed together is going to bring this feeling of freedom, lightness, joy, happiness. This ain't no caged bird singing. This bird ain't caged. This bird is free. And it's very interesting because a lot of people in society, they talk about marriage as if marriage is a cage. They talk about marriage as if it's a trap. But we see here in this reading that this marriage literally frees this person. And it isn't just the marriage, but I feel it. This marriage brings a feeling of freedom that this person has never experienced before. That's trippy. That's trippy, ain't it? Huh. I feel like I'm supposed to get a couple more cards. It's fascinating message. And I wouldn't expect anything less from a Scorpio reading, because Scorpio energy in itself is fascinating. So many secrets, so much mystery, so much depth. Yeah, wow. Oh, man, the downloads I got with this. I can't even go into this much, but this is some savage shit. People are not possessions, okay? I ain't even gonna say my hand's shaking. I can't even say that's gonna make me cry. I can't go into that. That is some really fucked up abuse right there. Let's face it, you were kind of a prick. Okay, that ain't even like a plain energy here. That's like a cute little cactus. This ain't, I can't, no, I don't want to go any farther into this, because if that's what Spirit's going to show me, I don't want to see that. I'm not prepared to channel that. So we're going to put that underneath this middle, because these are all attached here. Like, this is some major shit, like being tied up and locked in a closet, locked in a cellar, like being burned, being stabbed, being held at fucking knife point and raped. Like, this is some really fucked up shit. And they were like, you bet not open your motherfucking mouth. I mean, this is a cutthroat reading, okay? Like, I got chills. New bottom of the deck, we have royalty, okay? So, and underneath that we have heartbreak. And that makes sense, because the very first thing I thought when I saw this royalty card is like, whoever the person or persons are who inflicted this abuse, they did so in this disgusting manner. Like royalty of Satan type shit. Like evil satanic sex cults. Shit like that. Like thinking that they run some shit. So they can do whatever they want. Well, Spirit definitely has something to say about that. So, I just want to say, whoever has been through this, this is a hard reading for me because I've had a lot of abuse in my life as well. So, but I ain't talking about me, but this is a hard reading for me to do. So, whoever has been through this shit, first of all, congratulations for still fucking being alive. Okay? And just the fact that you are is your proof that God exists and God is on your side and God didn't want you to go through that shit. That was from the enemy. That was from the devil. Because you shouldn't be alive. Not after the shit you've been through. Okay? Now, also, you have some absolutely beautiful things coming for you. And there's no escaping it. It is your destiny. You cannot escape this goodness. It will find you no matter where you're hiding. And you probably are hiding. Because hiding is probably what feels normal to you. But this shit gonna find you wherever you are, boo. And it's gonna love you out of hiding. You're gonna be here. Doing beautiful things. Singing. Doing beautiful things for yourself and the world. And these motherfuckers right here, ooh, I wouldn't want to be them. I wouldn't want to be them because, hunty, Spirit about to get their hands on them. And I'll just say it like this. Whatever they did to you, they got like maybe 6 times that. Or more. Facing them right now. And they don't even know it. They don't even know it. They still sitting in this. Oh yeah. They're still sitting up here in this type shit right now. Ha 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 ha. I run shit. Can't nobody touch me. I can do whatever I want. What? I run shit. I'm telling you. Spirit is about to fuck them up. Okay? That's karma. Karma. You don't get away with that. Not in this realm. You don't. You don't. You know, people sitting in prison for their whole life, that ain't even the beginning of the karma for some shit like this. I'm here to let you know there are some major repercussions in this realm for a motherfucker who feels that it is okay to abuse their power in such a way as this. I didn't expect this reading to be so heavy. But here it is. So, just remember that you are loved And you are stronger than you think. And if you are one of the people who have went through this shit, my heart extra special goes out to you. Because you one bad motherfucker. And you're going to do beautiful things with the rest of your life. You're going to be happy. And you're going to be in a very happy relationship. Even if where you're sitting right now, you're like, whatever. I don't believe that. I'm not getting my hopes up for that. Whatever. That's okay. That's all right. Even if you feel like that, you can't escape this. It's coming for you, boo. And that wraps it up, folks. I love you very much. Be kind to yourselves and be kind to others. I'll talk to you soon.